Now, we saw a big problem right now happening in the manufacturing side because today everybody is talking about Industrial 4.0. They want to go smart in the IIoT, right? So some of these manufacturers say now, do we have a single vendor, right, who is actually a one-stop shop for hardware and software, where they can actually make something that is highly scalable? So this is what we saw as a problem statement in the industry today.
We are a sensor company, and a lot of the projects that we have right now are capital expenditure type of projects where we sell one time, then that's it. But with the current collaboration with Mendix, it gives us an opportunity to provide sensor as a service. So instead of a one-time project, we are now able to provide our customers with a subscription-based solution whereby they could potentially pay subscription for data, and then we would maintain the sensors, we would help support with the software together with Mendix, and it's a different business model altogether.
So we are the software part, and then for Zeek, right, they are the hardware part. So there was one of the conversation we have is that why don't we combine resources together? So there's a hardware, there's a software, we come together and we provide a total solutions to the customers in the market space.
In Schneider Electric, we're strong in the area of energy management, and a lot of our field service people are servicing our customer. So we wanted to develop a special program to train our field service engineer on our processes, as well as to refresh them on some of the safety things to watch out for.
At the initial stage, our partners reach out to us because we have an existing software that we have developed for the safety industry, and we felt at the time probably we have a bit of the expertise which can then be molded and enhanced into their ecosystem. So we can adapt our technologies and software into what they are currently doing to basically enhance their safety training and safety knowledge distribution as well.
So together we move on to not only the VR, but we actually begin to work closely with them to use real fire extinguisher, where you actually have to carry the fire extinguisher to fight fires, and integrated that into the VR.
It actually helps to reorientate the staff and obviously to make sure that they contribute more positively to their workplace instead of contributing via accidents. They are instead contributing to positive outcomes as well.
So at SMU, we have identified that effective communication as one of the key graduate learning outcomes. So I think we are trying to help students look for a consistent way to practice communication, presentation skills in various scenarios using a platform. So I think one of the key problems is that students do not always have an available audience to help them practice in front of. So I think we partner with Datality Lab to look at how we can use a virtual environment using AI, artificial intelligence, to actually help provide recommendations for them.
Moody.ai is a SaaS program. It's a service, software as a service, to help students and professionals, better communicators. The system will capture all the data and analyze your facial expressions, your tones, your nonverbal behaviors, and it gives you a score based on your performance and give you recommendations. How do you improve in your future practices until it becomes an auto gear?
With this system, students are better able to practice anytime, anywhere. So this also helps to lessen the load of instructors as well. The system allows students to gain access to recommendations to improve from practice to practice. This allows them to see their growth in terms of the progression in attaining certain communication competencies.
The manufacture of these large ink products actually consists of multiple components that go into this flexible ink bag, and it weighs in between 3 to 10 kilograms. So lifting and positioning these products is actually an economic issue for our operators. So we needed to have a fully automated solution in order to solve this challenge.
So in order to address the flexible nature of the product, we have to resort to a soft datuming, which means that we need to use a machine vision system and robotic combined together to address the problem of this positioning and datuming. So we have developed the vision system, and which can synchronize with the robot with a synchronized loading mechanism, allows us to load the product into the box.
So this new and automated assembly process has helped us to optimize our resource deployment and also improve our workers' welfare and safety because we fully eliminate this ergonomic issue of manual handling.